Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim, originally Federico. I'm from Italy and I'm here in Afghanistan right now in the district of Ajristan in the region of Ghazni. And I'm here to visit this beautiful country, Afghanistan, very traditional, very natural country, very historical country, and I'm having a good time. I reached this semi-remote area a few days ago and I'm enjoying it here. Personally, I am here to meet the Kuchi people who are nomadic people, nomadic groups, who most of them spend the winter in the region of Kandahar, so in the southern regions and surroundings, and in the summer, in the hot season, they come on the heights. They come here in Ghazni, in Ajristan. They go to Naur, and as far as I know, they also reach the areas of Bamiyan from other routes. For me, it was very interesting because nomadic life has remained almost the same since thousands of years, and Afghanistan has one of the biggest population of nomadic people in the world. And as I mentioned, these people are called Kuchi, which means actually I don't know exactly what you mean. I might make a mistake, but somehow means nomadic, people who moving people. And I just spent one night with them in the mountains, and it was very nice. They stayed in a very beautiful place on the top of the mountain here nearby, and they offered me food, and I could see their dwelling places and their daily activities, and I was very happy. Apart from that, so culture of Afghanistan, first of all, is very diverse because there are many different people, ethnic groups living in Afghanistan, and the culture, as I said, is remained very traditional. So, for example, speaking about the clothes, most men wear the same clothes, and which are tailor-made in Afghanistan. Most of the material comes from either Afghanistan or neighboring countries like Pakistan and India. And the food also is very nice, and I mean, there are very diverse types of food, and another complement of food is definitely the tea, which is something that people drink all the time in any situation, accompanied with maybe some sweets like this. And people like to talk, discuss, make deals. What else I can say? As I said, being very traditional, I come from the West, so I can say that compared to the West, you don't see many. You see women, but you don't interact much with women because they are mostly like staying at home, and they don't have much interaction with men, especially with foreigners like me. But I have seen them in bazaars, in the houses. I've seen them talking with people. Speaking about Kuchi, actually the women of Kuchi are more interactive because they don't stay at home. They don't have a house, so they're used to travel here and there. They are around, and I saw a group of them in the bazaars. And so what else I can say? From the architectural point of view, Afghanistan is one of my favorite countries because it has natural, traditional, ancient I would say, architecture. Most of the houses, especially in the villages, are built with clay bricks or with clay walls, and which makes them very beautiful. They blend with the environment, with the surrounding, and they are also very comfortable to live in, because the quality of the temperature